Have you ever looked at one of these fancy, beautiful, expensive pasta machines and wondered if it was worth the money? This is actually the third pasta machine I've owned, and I'm going to tell you why I wouldn't change a thing. Hey there, Sandy here. Welcome to another video for you who want to be inspired and grow in your creativity. Be sure to stay to the end for a tip that will save you time and aggravation every time you use your pasta machine. So my pasta machine journey started with a cheap craft store clay machine. It didn't take long for clay to build up on the blades, and it got incredibly grubby, spreading goo all over my light colors, and it was nearly impossible to clean. I took it apart to clean it and nearly lost my mind trying to put the thing back together again. I never did get it reassembled, and it ended up in the trash. Not long after that, I came into a little money and decided to take the plunge and got a modified Atlas 180 from Kissel. You may sometimes hear them referred to as monified or kisselized machines. The modification involves taking off the scraper blades and making them easily removable with a thumb screw. Having a quality pasta machine really did help me grow in my creativity. Because I had such a nice tool, I finally felt like a real polymer clay artist. And it's awesome to be able to quickly take off the blades and clean everything thoroughly. It has been a joy to use it for the past 8 years. And in the meantime, Ed Street had started creating these powder-coated beauties, and I found I needed an additional machine for my basement recording studio. Yes, it was definitely the pretty colors that tempted me. But it's more than just a pretty face. It is a dependable workhorse. Just think of it as an investment in a tool you use most every time you sit down with clay. It saves time when making blends and conditioning. It saves repetitive stress injuries on your body when making blends and conditioning. And having the second machine saves me running up and down stairs every time I record a polymer clay tutorial. And it's pretty! How can you not love the blended custom colors? The thick plexiglass not only looks cool, it's much easier to clean, and it's a great place to keep your thickness chart tidy and readable. If you don't know how to make a thickness chart, a custom one for your pasta machine, I'll link to a PDF that explains all the details. So the main reason I would buy this machine again and again is the modified scrapers. You will find it so satisfying to be able to clean it thoroughly after every use, and especially before using your light colors. If you like to put your pasta machine away between uses, you may have found the C-clamp that comes with the machine to be annoying to use. Sure, it works, but it takes quite a bit of twisting and twisting and twisting to get it to where you need it, and sometimes it's not the right depth for the table you have. My suggestion is for $3, you get this 6-inch quick release bar clamp. You can find it at Harbor Freight. I'm sure you can find them elsewhere. This is the quick release clamp, and the way it works is this is the quick release. So when you press that, you can slide this any way you want. So you can just open it wider than you need, pop it on to your table, and just clamp it up as tight as it will go. Then you'll need to use the screw part to tighten it more. When you're ready to take it off, you just unscrew it a little, just loosen it a little. Then you can press that and pull it off. Hence the quick release. It is so much easier than using a C-clamp. So yeah, I have no regrets. She was worth every penny. Have I got you thinking about polymer clay tools? Then check out the polymer clay tools playlist I put together for you. Let me know in the comments if you have a pasta machine for polymer clay, and if so, which one? Happy creating!